Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing an apple! So, let's get started. We will start by drawing a small stem of apple. Now, draw a leaf attached to the stem. Finally, we will draw the apple. Now, we will highlight our drawing. Now, it's time to color our apple. Let's start by coloring the stem brown. Now, we will color the leaf dark green. Finally, we will color the apple red. Isn't it looking so fresh and tasty? It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.